Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Are you trying to enter a referral code on Cash App but can't find the option? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people face the same issue when they try to earn money through a Cash App referral code. In this video, I will show you step by step how to enter a Cash App referral code the right way, even if the option is not showing on your screen. To understand how to generate a Cash App referral code, how to enter it, and what to do if the option to enter the code is not visible, let's open the Cash App on our phone screen. Tap on the Cash App icon. As soon as we click on it, the Cash App will open, and you'll see this kind of interface. At the top right corner, you'll find the profile icon. Tap on it. After that, you'll see a new screen with many different options. If you want to generate your Cash App referral code, you need to tap on Invite Friends. Once you click on Invite Friends, your entire contact list will appear. The contacts who already use Cash App will show a check icon next to their name, and the ones who don't use it yet will show a Get 5 or Get 3 button. Tap on Get $5. Once you click on Get $5, a message will automatically be generated, which includes your referral code. As you can see here, the referral code is written. We've hidden it in red for security reasons. Now, send this message to your friend. After that, your friend will install Cash App on their phone. Once they complete the necessary setup steps, they need to click on their profile icon inside the app. They will see a screen like this. To enter the referral code, they have to scroll down to the bottom. At the very bottom, they'll see the Sign Out button, and just above that, there will be a green Enter Referral Code button. If they want to enter your referral code, they need to tap that button. If the referral code button is not showing on their screen, they should click on the support button right there and contact Cash App customer support. They will definitely help solve the issue. There's one more important thing to remember. The referral code option is only available for 14 days after installing the Cash App. After 14 days, that option disappears. So you must enter the referral code within 14 days of installation. As soon as they click the referral code button, they'll see this kind of screen. Now they can type in the referral code in the space provided and click the enter button. Once the referral code is successfully submitted, they'll receive the referral bonus. So by following these simple steps, you can easily enter your Cash App referral code.